Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush from more reviews. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, with you. Today we're in Portmore. Just checking out some construction updates in Portmore. We're basically on the municipal boulevard in Portmore, where we're checking out what they're calling the GTECH Park. This is currently under construction. It's gonna be a BPO park with three buildings, which will house BPO companies as well. So that's what we're basically checking out today. They're over the left. I'll show you guys a lot more in a second or two. And if you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. And definitely leave a comment on this video, like the video, and share as well so that more persons can see. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, all that is in the channel description as well. We have PayPal and other option in the description that you can donate to the channel. So we're in Portmore Municipal Boulevard looking at the GTECH Park, and over here we have the Country Club 2. This is a gated community in Portmore. So over here is the Country Club 2. They're right opposite to the construction that we're checking out today. Alright guys, so this is one of the main buildings on the GTECH Park. So it's 5 acres of land. It will have 3 main buildings. It's being developed at a cost of 3.5 billion Jamaican dollars, and the aim is to create some 4,500 jobs when it's finished. The developer is Garden 20. He's also the owner of, or past owner of, the Tropical and Mall Jewelers, and he does have some other BPO space that he rents out on Constant Spring Road, Haining Road, and Trinidad Terrace. So this is another facility that he's developing. So 5 acres of land, the Portmore GTECH Park. That's what we're taking a look at today. Alright, so apologies for the heavy wind noise, guys. I'm just showing you guys a better look at the facility. Starts right here and goes straight up to the end of the road. So this is the main building right here. So we see it's 3 stories. So it's very windy, guys, so apologies. Alright, so again, GTECH Park, Portmore, will be 3 BPOs coming to this side. This is one of the bigger ones currently under construction. Total construction supposed to take 18 months. They're about 6 months in. And apologies for the wind noise, guys. Outside is very windy, so apologies. Alright, so this is towards the other end. So there is a second building right here under construction. Not very far as yet, but we can see it from where we are. Alright, so that's a final look, a final design right there. Alright guys, so this is a look from the other end. This is beside the facility. We have a community right behind them, that's Silverstone, right down there. And we also have the Sovereign Village and the Sovereign Village, and I think it's called Sunshine Plaza. That's close by as well. So this is Portmore Pines area. Alright, so this is the construction on the left. So it's right next to Portmore Pines as well. So it's a part of the Municipal Boulevard and a part of Portmore Pines. So a very good location, a lot of communities surrounding this complex, the GTECH Park. A lot of employment for the Portmore people, the St. Catherine people. So it's a good look. So again guys, remember to share your comments in terms of what you think about this development. Definitely share the video as well so that more persons can see, and like the video as well. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe so that you can see more content like this, guys. And if you have reached so far or this far in the video, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for a lot more videos to come as well. So we have Scotia Bank over here, we have Sovereign Village down the road, Silverstone Community. So this one is very long as well, this other complex, this second building. Alright guys, so this is about the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you on another video as well.